Let's step it up. MCP Model Context Protocol. Let's be real. Right now, most AI agents and assistants show up to work like interns. They're smart, they've got the degrees, but they know absolutely nothing about your organization. Because they lack context, you have to micromanage them just to get a useful email draft. This context gap is why nearly 46% of AI pilots are currently hitting a wall. If you want to move beyond basic chatbots, you need more than just better prompts. So you need the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. The Shadow AI Risk, launched in late 2024, MCP standardizes how AI connects to your data and tools. It's exploded with over 30,000 servers already published, but there's a catch. If you aren't governing this, your employees probably already are. This is the Shadow AI problem. Unsanctioned MCP servers running on personal laptops, wiring your corporate data into external tools without IT even knowing. To fix this, you don't block adoption, you professionalize it. The 4 stages of maturity. Leveling up means following a clear maturity model. Here's the roadmap. Stage 1. Experiment and prepare. Individual-led experiments with zero standardized security. Stage 2. Build pilots. You move to containers and standardized authentication like OAuth. Stage 3. Scale infrastructure. This is where it gets serious. You're using Kubernetes, enforcing network policies, and running a central catalog of tools. Stage 4, MCP native organization. AI becomes your organizational plumbing. Agents autonomously orchestrate workflows with full audit trails and behavioral guards. The enterprise pillars: registry, runtime, gateway, and portal. To reach stage 4, a basic connection won't cut it. You need a platform with 4 pillars: a registry, which is a catalog of trusted vetted servers, a private runtime, keeping your data inside your own cloud, an enterprise gateway, managing federated token exchange and IDP integration, and a user portal, making it one-click simple for your team to find the context they need. The AI intern era is over. It's time to build the infrastructure that gives your agents the context they need to actually do the job. Host, if you found this roadmap helpful, hit that like button, share this with your IT lead who's worried about Shadow AI, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of enterprise automation. See you in the next one.